hands in the air. Do not go. Do not take me down. Mother Stewart. Maybe you should. This is so bad.
It's so good. It's so adventurous.
Going so slow, it's so hard to actually stand up.
I'm sorry.
Just fall a little faster. Just slide
Stretch your
down.
long hands.
I'm laughing and I can't do what I'm laughing. Oh God,
You're fine, that's safe. That's it, just go down.
Look at her, man. Look at her.
Okay. I'm going.
She can't move because she's laughing so
I
hard.
know.
Shut up.
Watch your hair, it might get hooked in the vine.
Hey, let's go. Are you videoing
No,
this?
no.
Hurry.
What?
What?
The harder way.
Hey, Pop. Yes, I'll just keep falling.
What?
How many times? No, just fall.
What are you talking about? I was just chilling, you know?
Move, I'm sliding down.
Everybody slide down.
Oh my gosh.
Did anyone complain?
Nobody asked them to, so they didn't.
I'll tell one instead of complaining.
They're the Lamanites.
Exactly. Come on, Layman, learn how to.
Come on, Layman and Lamiel. Father Lehi, Layman and Lamiel is complaining.
Yeah, I'm layman. Who are those two weirdos?
I don't know, we picked them up on the trail. Look out, look out!
Holy.
Rock.
Why are you chucking rocks at me?
I did.
Yeah, how come?
Other team. Thought we were better than.
I'm just a guarded gun. Ramiro, move fast!
I hit you in the way.
No, that's because you cannot.
Ramiro moves faster than you do.
I'm down here before you were, Ramiro.
Because you're in front of me.
Because I overtake you.
I'm behind the sister.
No, I'm behind the sisters.
I need to go wash my. No.
Yeah! We make it!